Hey guys, it's Christy. Thank you so much for clicking on the channel. Today is one of my favorite days. It's Butcherbox Day. So I did order my turkey for Thanksgiving in this box. So they sent me two really good sized boxes. I think I ordered a few things different than last time. So I'm not sponsored by Butcherbox, but I love them. I've been getting them for a few years now. It's grass fed. You can track your package. You can pick your meat before you order it. You can add on extras. We did bacon for life and ground beef for life. So when they were running the promotion, we purchased it one time and now we get it in our box every time we order for free. They do different ones throughout the year. I've seen salmon, I've seen the bacon quite often, and the ground beef. And then they run specials on some of their boxes sometimes. So let me show you what I get. I get the largest box, but I don't get my box every single month. I get it every 6 weeks. And that's another thing that you can change. You can get it every month. You can get it every other month. You can get it every 6 weeks. You can pause your order. We've done that like when we're going on vacation in the summertime and whatever. You can pause and you can pick back up later. Another reason why I love them. And if you ever have any issues, they fix it right away. So let me flip you guys over and show you what we're looking at. This is what I'm telling you when I got two boxes. I got two really good sized boxes. They were not sitting outside for very long, which is good. And that's right. All right guys, so we just opened up the first box and I'm just opening it so you can see. I will take everything out and show you individually, but it does, so they do like for weather packaging depending on what type of season it is. So you always have your, what is that, climate control box. Usually there's some dry ice in here. And then my items are still pretty frozen and my awesome turkey is in here. So let me get both boxes open and on the counter and I'll show you what we have. All right guys, it barely fit on my little island today. Okay, so this guy I ordered extra. I can't remember the price, but I know I ordered it a few weeks ago to come in my box. So it's just a young turkey. This bad boy is 18.7 pounds. So that's extra on top of my regular box. And then here's this one is a grass-fed boneless ribeye roast. Sorry guys, I had to pause because I don't remember ordering this and I had to ask my husband. He added this on too. So that's like your prime rib for like Christmas and stuff like that. So we do enjoy these when we get them. I'll make a video on how we do ours, but these are really good to come by. And I think they were having a special on these as well. And then I have two of these guys. These are just the mini top sirloin steaks, the small ones. I really like these for my husband's lunch or like things that you're going to use like beef and broccoli, something that you just need a little bit and you have high quality meat. We've got two, these are ribeye steaks. Yep, two of them. This one is a roast. Let's see. This one is a beef chuck roast, easy to throw in the crock pot. A brisket. I still have my brisket from last time, but maybe we'll throw it on the smoker with the other one and we'll have two of them. This is the free ground beef that I was telling you guys about. So I get 2 pounds, so I get the ground beef. And then this is the premium steak tips. I really like these guys. I get these probably every single time. Then I got 2 things of chicken thighs because I still have chicken breast. And then I did get a couple of chickens from Costco. My free bacon, so I get a package of bacon every time. It's really good. I enjoy that bacon. We have been ordering this sausage the last couple of boxes. It's really good. It's great. It's quick. It's easy. And then of course we've got some cod and salmon because my husband takes fish or steak or chicken and like rice and potato for lunch every single day. It's very simple, very easy. Oh, I forgot about this. This is a new item. Ground lamb. I got it not last time, but the time before, I think. Maybe last time. It was really, really good. And I made some lamb meatballs and I got the recipe down. So I'll probably be making a video with the lamb meatballs next time. This is my Butcherbox. If you guys get Butcherbox, tell me how yours is and what you guys like to order. And if you have any questions, I will try to answer them below. Thanks guys.